Look at this crazy wallet. If you're dreaming of making a ton of money, just keep watching because I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. After months of non-stop meme coin trading, I became fed up with the extreme risks of investing in random coins. That's when I shifted to this new strategy. Now I can turn $100 into $500 or even $11,000 in seconds, and I do it repeatedly. That's why today I want to give you all a straight, easy, reliable method that a lot of people have been using these last couple of weeks to make a ton of money using meme coins. You know what? I'm going to tell you right now what the method is. The method is basically launching your own coins on the Raydium DEX. Once a coin reaches a high enough market cap, you simply remove your liquidity and you bank a ton of money. Of course, this is all for educational purposes, only to show you how it works. Let me get straight to the point. To create and launch your own coins, you do not want to use Pump.Fun. If you don't know, Pump.Fun is, first of all, too saturated. Second, too many coins are being created by the second on the Pump.Fun. And third, no investors are going to buy your coin because 99% of Pump.Fun coins are scams. You will not get big buyers. That's why you have to make coins on the Raydium DEX. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on the Raydium DEX if you actually want to make a lot of money and potentially make thousands of dollars every single day. Now, to make coins on the Raydium DEX, you have to be using Launch Token Fun because you can create your own coin without coding by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. You can even manage liquidity and duplicate any coin that is trending on Pump.Fun at the moment to make some guaranteed money. You can make them super fast and efficiently, and this site isn't a scam like the other ones. It's the only site that has a copy trending coins feature. As you can see here, you can scan any new coins that are being created by the second. You could potentially find a good coin to duplicate, remove the liquidity, and make a ton of money. Or, if you're lazy like me and want to do little to no marketing, you can come to the trending coins feature right here and duplicate any coin here. You will get buyers because every single coin here is trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. By duplicating these coins, you are basically guaranteed to get buyers because you'll be listing these coins back up on the Raydium DEX, which will get a much higher market cap. Now, I'm going to do an example to prove that all I'm saying is legit. I'm going to duplicate My Life as ChatGPT because it has 200 replies and a $220,000 market cap. I'm going to click on Create Coin, go inside my Phantom wallet. A warning will pop up, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Just ignore it, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then your coin will be created shortly. It's created. Now copy your token address and click on Create Liquidity Pool to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Here's your coin, here's your Sol balance. Click on Max because you want to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity. The amount of token B here is actually the amount of liquidity you're buying in with your own money. Now you will not lose this money since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. Obviously, make sure you have enough SOL. I'll just put 0.5 because that's what I'm comfortable with. Okay, now click Create Pool, confirm the swap, and then click on Refresh. Okay, it popped up. Now click on Coin Listed via Photon, and now your coin is live. As you can see, it's pumping a bit at the moment. Okay, now it's pumping. A bunch of buyers are coming in right now because it's pumping. If you don't know, a bunch of people are scanning here, looking for the next big thing, so there are millions of eyeballs here. You are basically guaranteed to make some money. Now it's pumping even more. Okay, now it might be the perfect time to remove liquidity. So, come back to Launch Token, Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, then click on Confirm. Boom. I just removed the liquidity, and that's how you make a ton of money every single day. By launching coins, you can make so much money. Bro, I waited literally 2 seconds, and if I open my Phantom wallet, I now have $340. So, I made around 0.7 Sol in a matter of seconds. Bro, you can make so much money. It's actually insane. This is ridiculous. Make sure to join my Telegram group down below. You can DM me there if you want. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye.